Hello everyone, so I'm back with another video, and this too is from the SAT, and I think it's from practice question from the set. I think the fifth one. Yeah, I think it's from the fifth one, and I think this too is the non-calculator section. So let's understand this question. So what it says is, at a restaurant, n cups of tea are made by adding tea bags. So n is the number of cups of tea, and T is the number of tea bags used. So uh, tea bags are used for n cups of tea. So, and also we are given an equation that makes the entire question solvable. That is, T is equal to n+2. How many additional tea bags are needed to make each additional cup of tea? So let's erase this. This was just for our understanding, and let's rewrite the equation, the given equation. Look at it. So initially, I'm sure most of you think that the answer is C, because we have +2. That means, of course, you need two uh, tea bags each time to make a tea, a cup of tea, not a tea. But then that's not how it is. So let's see how the question is really solved. So let's read the question once again, and let's dive into the solution. At a restaurant, n cups of tea are made by adding tea bags to hot water. If T is equal to n+2, how many additional tea bags are needed to make each additional cup of tea? So let's assume that first of all we are making just one cup of tea, one cup. So that means T is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now let's assume we are going to have 2 cups. We're going to make 2 cups of tea, isn't it? So T, let's say prime, is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We are going to need, we'll be needing 4 tea bags. So here we needed 3, here we need 4, and let's try for 3 cups. T double prime, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So here we establish a certain kind of pattern. So for n, if we are to look for n, we started with 1, then we went to 2, then we went to 3, and let's go so on. And for t, I think t stands for, yeah, tea bags. We started with 3, then we went to 4, then we went to 5. So every time there is a increase in, when there is change in n, when the change in n is 1, we have seen that change in t is also 1. It's not 2, it's not 3, it's not 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So whenever n changes by 1, when n changes by +1, t also changes by +1. So the change is 1. So the question says, how many additional tea bags are needed to make each additional teacup? So each additional teacup means +1. So the question simply is asking, if n changes by 1, increases by 1, then how many, by what number will t increase? It is not 2, it is not 0, it's not 3, it is simply 1. It does not certainly look that way, but then it is 1 because the change in t is 1. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 5, all is equal to 1. So therefore the answer is B. So B is the correct answer. So there you go. This is the final answer to this question. Not very difficult, but I hope you learned how to do this, and hope to see you in my next videos. Thank you.